So Ukwa Entertainment presents amazing laughter with Oba Okonik live in Vercelli. So make una gather people around Vercelli, Novara, Torino, Milano, all the environs, Asti, and other cities. Gather in the city of Vercelli on the 23rd of October. Oh man. Now, amazing laughter with Oba Konik. Now, what happened that day? The performing artists are Oba Konik himself. He go there live and direct. Two tigers go there live and direct. Akpos himself. Akpos the comedian. He go see there live and direct. Mr. Zeus will also be there live and direct. Comedian King Obas, the king of comedy, when hold Torino ransom. He go there live and direct. Snowway go there live and direct. Then MC Jerry Angel, the angel of laughter. My friend, when we got the Heart movie before for Nigeria, you go there as well, live and direct. So put laughter in everybody's faces. Coronavirus and other things don't make many people know they laugh ever since. So come to Vercelli on the 23rd of October. Oh man, that day na bomb. Bomb for Vercelli. The whole Italy go yera. Who they there? Who they breathe? All of them people now come out that day. Come and support all the comedians. Come and support Oba Okonik in this amazing laughter 2021 edition. So the venue is Supreme Night Club in Via Caduti sul Lavoro Area 24 Vercelli. So all roads lead to Vercelli on the 23rd of October. Come one, come all. So the ticket is €10 per ticket. Very cheap. Very cheap. €10 per ticket for gate fees. For regular €10. Then for table for 4 is €300. Then table for 6 €450. So invite your friends, invite your family, tell people about it. Let everyone get down to that place on the 23rd of October. The time is 9 p.m., 9 o'clock in the evening. That is for red carpet. Then the main event starts from 10 p.m. till 5 a.m. So on 23rd of October, Amazing Laughter 2021 edition will be happening live and direct in the city of Vercelli. Even I myself go there gidigba to laugh away my sorrow. So come one, come all.